Hello everyone, this is Rani Pragashti from grade 8 ASM of schooling Molokulam. Now I am going to say 100 countries name. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Algona, Antigua, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belize, Benin, Bhutan, Brazil, Belarus, Belgium, Burma, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile, China, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Comoros, Croatia, Denmark, Dominica, Dominican Republic, Egypt, East Timor, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Equatoria, Ethiopia, Ethiopia, Fiji, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Greece, Gaul, Haiti, Hungary, Ireland, Iceland, India, Iran, Iraq, Indonesia, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Korea, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Kuwait, Korea North, Korea South, Lao, Lasto, Libya, Liberia, Lesotho, Labonia, Lithuania, Mexico, Marshall Islands, Mongolia, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Oman, Portugal, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Panama, Romania, Russia, Sweden, South Africa, Switzerland, Thailand, Turkey, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States of America, Vietnam, Vatican City, Yemen, Zimbabwe. Thank you.
Bigu!
Oh yeah, I did it.